attaching a sprocket to a wheel is a pretty simple process. And you can save money. Some of these deals that you find around where you find the sprocket attached to the wheel can be almost from 70 to 100 bucks. And just a matter of drilling holes in your sprocket. And in my case, I just needed to drill one hole in my rim. Put some spacers between there, cut some poling. I cut some electrical pole and for spacers. Some even make their own, but you can save a lot of money simply drilling your holes, putting your spacers in, attach your sprocket, and you're good. The rest you get to.